Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabudingu Foodies. Today we are going to make one of my favorite breakfasts, Veggie Chilla. It's packed with veggies, it's easy to make, it's very filling and nutritious, and also it's a very versatile dish. You can add any veggies of your choice and you can pair it with any chutney, achar or yogurt. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to like and subscribe and let's get started. So first we'll add 2 cups of roughly chopped cabbage into a blender. And we'll give it a good blend. Now we'll add 2 medium-sized, roughly diced carrots and a large, roughly chopped bell pepper. And we'll give it a good blend until everything is nicely combined. We'll transfer this mixture in a large bowl. And now we'll add in the masalas. So in goes red chili powder, garam masala powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, salt, and fennel seeds or saunf. We'll mix it well. And now we'll add in the flours. So first we'll add oat flour. Making oat flour is very easy. All you need to do is add some oats into a blender to make a fine powder. Now we'll add gram flour or besan and semolina or suji. Mix it really well. And now we'll add in some water. If the mixture is too thick, feel free to add more water. Now we'll heat up a pan on a medium heat. And now we'll take a large spoonful of batter and spread it evenly to make a chila. Now we'll drizzle some oil and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until the base of this chila becomes crisp and golden. Now we'll flip it and let the other side cook as well for 2 to 3 minutes. I like to pat it lightly with the spatula so that the edges are crisp and the chila is evenly cooked. I love this veggie chila. It's easy to put together and it can be made with any veggies of your choice like zucchini, cauliflower, spinach, you name it. It's highly nutritious and of course it tastes delicious. I personally like to have it with yogurt to add some protein to my breakfast, but you can have it with chutney, especially coconut chutney, which tastes amazing with this chila. Feel free to check out the coconut chutney recipe here. So if you like such healthy and tasty recipes, make sure to like, share and subscribe, hit the bell icon and I'll see you next time.